in 1 hour and 20 minutes. I want to thank each and every one of you for coming out and seeing this tonight and helping us out. Always let us know what kind of charity or whatever we can do to help out. Talk to me or Tommy or Bill Park. Let us know. John, this is for you, baby. We have $113 to go to the winner. Janessa. Let her draw one. She didn't get a ticket, so we'd let her draw one. We got it? Alrighty. Paul and Rick. Let's see. Got it. There's your $113, honey. Alright, let's now party. Make sure you take care of Doug, your bartender. Also the lights, Miles and Jay. Jamie on music.